Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to make DIY paper flowers. Take one origami paper and fold one end of the paper approximately 1 inch. Turn the paper and fold its other side. Repeat these steps until the entire paper has been folded. Now fold in half, apply the glue and stick both the ends. Our one paper fan is ready. Now to give shapes to the petals, cut it at the end. Same steps we will do for another 2 papers and we will make 3 fans ready. Stick the ends of the fans and make a flower. To make it very decorative, we will cut one circle and stick in the middle of the paper. It looks very beautiful. Now let's make the stem of the flower. Roll the paper from one end and make a stem. Stick the stem behind the flower. Now we will cut the leaves. Take green color paper and fold it. Cut into the middle and make 2 leaves. Let's give leaves shape. Our 2 leaves are ready. Now we will stick the leaves to the stem of the flower. Our beautiful flower is ready now. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Ding dong kids.